In this VIDEOACE review, I'm going to be showing you a software that they're claiming will create unlimited done-for-you videos or turn any existing video into an instant traffic and commission magnet. I'm going to be showing you what this is and of course what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out VIDEOACE, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. You've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says getting sales with done-for-you videos was never easier. At a low one-time price, create unlimited done-for-you videos or turn any existing video into an instant traffic and commission magnet. Essentially what this software does, you can create unlimited videos using AI, hundreds high-quality ready-to-use templates, cloud-based software, sound wave generator included, automatic voice to subtitle generator included, automatic image to sketch converter, etc., etc. It creates little videos in a software. So you can use these, you can do review videos, you can put them on YouTube, you can put them on Instagram, you can put them on Facebook, but it creates little videos that you can use in your business. So they say step 1, select from the done for you templates or start from scratch. Step 2, add text and or music, and it's going to add it in for you. And then you can, of course, you can go out there and sell these on places like Fiverr and do whatever you want with them. It's a video creation software, so it's going to be up to you what you want to do with this. Now I'm looking here, they've got some testimonials here. Now this guy Alan K, Joy are making this money. I don't believe these testimonials, by the way. I don't think that these are real. They look like they've been fabricated, so don't buy this based upon these testimonials. VIDEOACE generated $22,000 in the last 30 days. I don't believe that either. Sorry guys, I know you guys make money as affiliates, but I don't think that this software has made all that money. If it has, show me some real proof. Create a video, show me proof that it actually has, and I will post it right underneath this video. But I really don't believe that this software has made that kind of money. I would be very, very surprised. So just know that like these kind of software, I mean, they are just tools for your business. They're not magic money making machines. They're just meant to like help you in your business. Now they're going to have some examples here on the sales page that you can actually check out and see what these videos look like. But again, these testimonials here, I don't trust them. I hope these are placeholders, because this is a sales page preview. I hope these are just placeholders and not real, because I don't believe them at all. So if we get on down here, you don't need to show your face, which is, you don't need a website, you don't need tech skills, you don't need a domain name. But if you decide to purchase, you get access to all this stuff you see here at a low one-time price. One thing I will have you do is make sure that you move your mouse away when you come to the sales page. A discount code on the final sales page, a discount code should pop up. I always want you to get the lowest price, so please hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. I make less as an affiliate, so thank you for that. Okay, what I'm going to do now is play you a quick demo, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the back end area and the OTOs and the discounts. Okay, so we are back here. So I'm inside the software where you have you can create your videos, the voiceovers, looks like it has a link cloaker, image editor, find HD images, tracks with PLR licenses. Everything's included inside of this software. Now there are multiple OTOs. The first one here is unlimited. You can create unlimited designs and get 950 more design templates. You get the unlimited reseller license, remove all restrictions, remove their watermarks. But here's what I want you to do. Move your mouse away. You can get a discount on this. I make less as an affiliate by showing you these discounts, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. The next one you're going to see is 100% done for you. So it's a done for you pack. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. The next one you're going to see here is you can rebrand and sell VIDEOACE as your own. Move the mouse away, you can get a $30 discount off this. Next one here is you can access their 3 exclusive training modules. Looks like it's like affiliate marketing. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. The next one here is build your 7-figure business, and by selling VIDEOACE app accounts, move your mouse away, you can get a $100 discount off this one. And the last one here looks like it's a hosts, play, and markets your videos for you. So it's a video hoster. Move your mouse away on this one, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about VIDEOACE and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I don't like those fake testimonials on the sales page, guys. I don't like it. It's not good. It doesn't help anyone. We don't need to do that. You can sell software like this without putting stuff on your sales page. So don't buy this based upon that proof. What do I like about this? If you are looking for a software that's going to create these little videos for you that you can use and can publish them on social media, you can publish them on YouTube. If that's something that you want to do, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at VIDEOACE, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.